or some box with
cream.
anti-pain cream. It can be even an imaginary cream, by the way. So we have the cream. We open the. It's called the.
Ok, è una crema antidolorifica, quindi apriamo la
whatever. We throw it away. And we mix it. And we take something and we just splash it around. And there is a banana. Then we move to different places. And then there is another banana. And we take more. And we put in other places. And we take more. And then we take all the bottle and we and no pain anymore. And then we throw it away. Ho, ho, cha cha cha. 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 Yeah! Now we are very tired.
Siamo molto stanchi adesso.
It's very hot.
Fa caldissimo.
It's very hot, and before going home, we need to check if we need to take a shower.
Dobbiamo controllare se dobbiamo fare una doccia.
So let's check if we need a shower.
Controlliamo se dobbiamo fare la doccia.
Let's go for shower.
Andiamo a fare la doccia.